Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your favorite host, James. Today, we're going to dive in a sensational AI tool that is Tuni. In the year 2026, you got a million of the way to generate music and also music videos, right? You got Sono, you got Gemini, you got anything, you name it. But today, I'm gonna share an AI that's behind in all my songs. That is Tuni. So what is Tuni? Tuni is an AI platform that can create music and music videos. And why I only use this one? Because the music simply is better. But the Tuni, I think they are work on the agent, so the results can be more human, can be more attractive to human as well. If you don't believe me, just finish this video and you might agree with me. Alright, here is what we're gonna do with this video. We are going to create a song in front of you in several minutes, and you are the judge to judge whether this is a good song or not, okay? And we are also going to try to use this MV functionality, which is a music video. Alright, let's dive in. So in order to use Tuni, you just click here and you can sign in by Google account. Okay, after login, we are here. So basically, you just type your prompt here and click this button, then your song will pop up. But before we do that, and actually you can click here to upload your file. Any file, including audio, video, image, document. You know, you can upload a melody that you can record by your iPhone, like and make it into a nice song. And also you can directly select a music from the library. So this is my library. I think you can see I already generated many songs, and in here we have a hot picks. They are generated by the community, but let's close off it. And let's just type our prompt. Alright, so my prompt goes like, make a song about an Asian girl learn Kung Fu and fight with a tiger gang, all the bad guys, you know, with a Kung Fu in the woods. And in the daytime, she is an American high school girl. Nighttime is a Kung Fu girl fighting with the evil. Make it a rap song, a girl rap, his song Chinese melody, and the girl's name is Strawberry. Okay, let's click here. So actually, we got some choices that we need to make. So first is the trap rap Chinese hook. Yeah, I would like this song to become like little ritual, early Hong Kong Kung Fu movie style. So let's choose this one, trap rap. And second one is the pop rap. And third is the comedy rap. I think this one just fit. See, we're load the skill music creation tool. Alright, what we have here. So in the canvas, we have two songs. And each of the songs, we can do many things. For example, like we can mention the song and make a tweak. And second is like edit. We can edit the lyrics and the prompt. And also can edit the song's details. We can change the voice and make the smart mastering. And also we can make MV. And also we can download the whole thing. You can even make the audio melody and so many. And also, this is very important. You got a copyright certification. So when you click here, you can find now you can use it in any commercial projects. So if you are a creator just like me and you want to use a song in your creation, so this is like must to have. Other AI platform didn't provide such a copyright certificate, right? So this is why I stick with this tool. And let's click here to preview the first song, okay?
Yeah. Strawberry. Yeah. 7 a.m. alarm like a punch to the face. Zip up the hoodie, tie the laces, find my place. Home and boredom, teachers talking ancient. Jessica stole my lunch money, real aggravation. Tiger game.
God, that's so nice. And actually, we can click here to download the song. You got so many options. And I would like to recommend you to download the themes. Let's click here. And you have many options as well. So first, and let's try this one. Okay, download it. Wow, what we have here. Actually, now we have 8 files. And when you double click it, ooh. This is a drum. And you got the guitar. And what about this?
Alarm like a punch to the face. Zip up the hoodie, tie the laces, find my place. Home and boredom, teachers talking.
This is human voice. That's so cool. You can rearrange all the tracks. You can recover your song. You can claim the copyright, and you can use it in any project. This is the best part of the Tuni. And actually, we have a second version. Just let's click here. Ooh. It's slower, right?
Yeah,
it's really funky.
Strawberry, 7 a.m. alarm like a punch to the face. Zip up the hoodie, tie the laces.
I think I'm falling in love with the first one. I want to change it a little bit. Can we add some kung fu sound, punching sound? Okay, I want to add some kung fu sound at the beginning. And actually, you can choose different models. For music, so many top music AI models, and also you got image generators as well. You can generate images here. You can generate it by Nano Banana Pro, C-Dream, and for the video, you have CDance 2.0 Mini, 2.0 Fast, 2.0, and for the text, you got DeepSeek, you got Kimi, anything you name it, right? Okay, let's try to modify the song and give a second to the score. Okay, now we have a new song. Let's click here.
Strawberry. 7 a.m. alarm like a punch to the face. Zip up the hoodie, tie the laces, find my place. Homeroom boredom.
Okay, we make two variations. I want to see more possibilities, and you can help me to check.
Yeah, strawberry. 7 a.m. alarm like a punch to the face.
I still love this one, original one, okay? We can download the music, right? And what if we can make it into music video? Let's click here, make MV. So here is the place that you choose the duration that you want to make it into music video. You can cover the full songs. But for the demonstration, I want to make the first part. And actually, you can choose 15 seconds TikTok and Reels, or you can choose this one for IG stories, or choose for YouTube Shorts. I think I choose the TikTok. Okay, let's click next step. Okay, we're going to turn this song into an MV. Okay, now we have more options to choose. So I choose attitude. This is a different mode. Okay, in order to make our MV, now we have a creative plan and a creative script. And right now, AI is busy for building the video. Actually, you can check now our AI just helped us to build up this character. This is our main character. It's really cool. And in Tuni, actually, you got this character choose functionality. I built up myself as a character, one of the character, and you got some default character, and you can choose them to be appeared in your MV. But right now, I'm just let AI to improvise a little bit. Okay, and let's click here, create video for free. Alright, I add the subtitles and we remove the watermark, and let's click here, export. We are creating our video. Okay, final work is here. Let's click here to preview.
Strawberry, strawberry, schoolgirl by day. Strawberry, 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 shadows melt away. Kung fu in the moonlight, tigers
Oh my god, that's so cool, right? So this is how you play around with Tuni, and also you can generate unbelievable music video. And beneath the effect, you got many masterpieces that's generated by the community. You can check it out.
Every doubt they spoke turned to echoes ringing in my ears. Been pressure since day one, I don't break, I just hit them gears. If they sleeping on me, I'ma be the nightmare now this year. Can't believe you did this. Heart's heavy in it, it's different. Talking to my girl like I'm missing. Why you moving mad, why you switching? You're taking liberties from never before you cross that line, bro. You were meant to be my guy, now I'm here asking why. Yeah. It's that toy floor, baby. We taking over tonight. Let's go. This earth, what will we leave behind when we leave this world? What will they say of our time? Chrome widow carnival, spin that wheel for me. I got lipstick on the guillotine and murder in the marquee. Chrome widow carnival, laugh till the rafters crack. Break the limit,光の中駆け抜けろ。描いた未来がフラッシュバックする。Hey, hey, 魂を解き放て塗りつぶせ。
And to be honest, I cannot tell the difference between human and AI's music right now. And as a YouTuber, I truly think Tuni can really help with my work, you know. Many background music that people found that in my videos are generated by Tuni. I want to say thanks to Tuni's team, and I hope you liked today's content, and don't forget to check the description. You can find a more usable link of the Tuni. Hey, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and leave your comment in the comment section, and I will see you on the next one.